Hi, in this video I'm just going to talk about some of the effects that you might use on a Sunday. So for the first effect, which will be fed from bus 15, which is normally for instruments and especially drums, I'd suggest using a hall reverb, or the vintage reverb in the M32 is quite good. Moving on, the reverb for the vocals, I'd suggest using a plate reverb. And for delay, I'd suggest either using this stereo delay or a modulated delay to add a bit more texture to the mix. With delays, you need to set up a tap tempo because it's no good having a delay that is out of time with the music. It'll be quite jarring. So a delay needs to be in sync with the music. And the way we do this is by setting an assignable control. So if you hit View on the assignable controls and move along to Set A, we can scroll down and you can choose one of these buttons to be your tap tempo. So I've chosen button 8. I like button 8 to be my tap tempo, so I'm going to scroll down to button 8. Choose Effect button, parameter 4, so I'm going to use this to change the tap tempo of my modulated delay, and then I choose time as the parameter. Cool, now I can tap on this number 8 button, and you'll see that the time here changes as I tap different tempos. And this will help me to keep the delay in tempo with the song. These effects channels can be EQ'd just like any other channels, and I'd suggest taking out a lot of the low end and some mids, just like you would a vocal. Otherwise the effects can end up muddying up the mix quite a lot. And sometimes you'll want to take some of the high end out, but alternately you might want to put some of the high end back in. You might want to make it sparkle a bit more. So the EQ on an effect, you've really just got to play about with it, and it's very much up to you and your tastes, how you want it to sound.